Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Wix email. So this is a Wix business email tutorial. So right now I'm on the Wix website, and what I can do is I can actually head over to the homepage. Then here you can see there's no business email. So click on connect right here, and then this will open the business email under the communications tab. So in here, just click on connect a domain right here. Make sure to connect a domain for you. So we can actually head over and search for a site that is available. So let's put in a site and then click on get it. And then in here, you need to choose a yearly plan that includes a paid domain voucher. So once you have bought a domain that you can use for this, you should be able to set up your business email. Now, once you have set up your business email, the next thing to do is head over to marketing and SEO. And then from in there, this will open a lot of collaborative things right here. So click on email marketing right here. So for this, once you have done that, what you can do is you can head over to this site. And then over here, you can see the email marketing part right here. So from in there, what you can do is you can head over and click and generate an email for this campaign. So in order to create a campaign, what you can do is you can head over, and as you can see, click on view all campaigns right here. Once you have done that, you can click on new campaign. But since I already started the campaign, I can just edit this one right here. Once I have done that, I should be able to edit something. So let's edit this. So an email needs to be catchy in order to attract email subscribers into your site. So let's put in call for in your feed. So you can also integrate AI to generate text for you. So let's click on this one and click on generate text. Then as you can see, you can create the product. And in here, you need to choose your business type. And in here, once you're done everything, just put in what's important to mention. For sale, a 50% sale period. We'll say something like that. And once you have done that, you should be able to click on this create text right here. But take note that you need to upgrade your email plan first before integrating AI. But you can still put something right here without integrating AI, so you can just put this manually. You can still integrate AI if you want. And then in here, you can also click on themes right here in order to change it to your site. You can make it like this theme right here, like this. So let's choose this minimalist right here. And you can also click on the background right here in order to change the background to your email. Just like that. If you click on this AI emails, you should be able to do the AI email generator. When you click on this right to left, you should be able to create a campaign in right to left language. So once you're done with everything, you can preview and test it. So let's open this one right here. So this looks like this, and you can send this one right here as an email. So you can click on the send test email right here. So let's send this to a specific person. Like for me, for example, and then just choose your name. And then reply to email. But you can just click on the send right here. So just put this one on the reply to email. And click on send. And then this will send a test email. So let's just wait for that. And then we'll try to open the Gmail right here, which will open the email from Wix. So here's the right here. So let's try to click on this one. And then as you can see, the email will look like this. So you can still try to edit it however you want it to be. And then once you're satisfied with everything, just go back to editing again. And then click on next right here. And then in here, you can just choose to add recipients. You can also import contacts from a third-party software that actually stores data. So once you're done with everything, you can just click on next right here in order to send this to your subscribers. So let's try to put this one right here. And let's try to click on next. Then it will show you this right here. And then you can schedule it or you can send it now. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to set up Wix Email 2024. If you have problems with the help, please leave a like below or subscribe because this helps me reach more people. Peace.